students, welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about Part A Employability Skills, Unit 4, Entrepreneurial Skills for Class 10, ID 402. In this chapter, we are going to learn about entrepreneur and entrepreneurship. So, as we all know that entrepreneurship is being talked about a lot in the world today and especially in India. Now, entrepreneurship hota kya hai? It is a type of self-employment where one is running a business to satisfy the needs of the people and looking for the ways to make the business better to make profits. Means एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का मतलब है कि हम खुद एम्प्लॉयड हैं, हम अपना काम खुद कर रहे हैं, हम अपना एक बिजनेस चला रहे हैं ताकि हम लोगों की नीड्स को सेटिस्फाई कर सकें और अपने बिजनेस को बेटर बना सकें सो दैट वी कैन अर्न द प्रॉफिट्स. इट मीन्स इसमें दो चीज़ें इंक्लूडेड हैं, एक तो अर्निंग द प्रॉफिट विच इज़ देयर इन एवरी बिजनेस अलॉन्ग विद दैट प्रोवाइडिंग द सर्विसेज टू द सोसाइटी. Now, this unit, Entrepreneurial Skills, focuses on encouraging the students to learn about entrepreneurship and its functions from the world around them. हम अपने आसपास बहुत सारे बिजनेस पर्सन्स को देखते हैं और हमने इस मॉड्यूल के कोर्सेज में बहुत बार इनके बारे में पढ़ा भी है. Now, there are some qualities of the entrepreneurs, like the first quality is they are confident. Whatever they work in, they believe in themselves and their abilities. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट होता है कि जो एंटरप्रेन्योर्स होते हैं वो अपने बिजनेस में नए आइडियाज़ को ट्राई करते रहते हैं. मीन्स दे कीप ऑन ट्राइंग द न्यू आइडियाज़ इन देयर बिजनेस. नेक्स्ट इज दे आर पेशेंट. इवन इफ उनके पाथ में कितनी भी डिफिकल्टीज आएँ बट दे टेक द रिस्क एंड दे आर पेशेंट एनफ कि नो प्रॉब्लम, हम इसे आगे सॉल्व करेंगे. नेक्स्ट इज दे आर क्रिएटिव एंड थिंक डिफरेंटली अबाउट द बिजनेस आइडियाज़. दे आर क्रिएटिव, दैट इज़ वो अपने प्रोडक्ट्स में और अपने बिजनेस के अंदर नए नए आइडियाज़ को ऐड ऑन करते रहते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज दे टेक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फॉर देयर एक्शंस. वट एवर वर्क दे डू दे टेक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फॉर दैट एंड दे टेक द डिसीजंस आफ्टर थिंकिंग अबाउट दैम. कोई भी डिसीजन लेने से पहले उसके ऊपर वो अच्छे से सोचते हैं कि वट कैन बी द फ्यूचर कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर डिसीजन एंड देन दे इम्प्लीमेंट द डिसीजन. Next quality is they work hard and they do not give up when they face a difficulty, which is a very important quality of an entrepreneur. किसी भी बिजनेस के अंदर डिफिकल्टीज आती हैं but they do not give up because they know that it is a part of the business. Okay, now session number 1 starts with entrepreneurship and society. In this video, we are going to cover two sessions, that is session number 1 and session number 2 of this unit. After this, we have session number 1, entrepreneurship and society. In a society, there are many entrepreneurs and entrepreneurs form the process of entrepreneurship. We have learned last year in 9th class that a person can earn a living with through the two methods. One is wage employment and one is self-employment. Wage employed people are those people जो किसी organization के लिए काम करते हैं and they get paid for that work. उन्हें उस काम के लिए पैसा मिलता है. And self-employed people वो लोग होते हैं जो अपना business खुद start करते हैं ताकि वो लोगों की needs को satisfy कर सकें. Self-employed person is one who is always trying to make his or her business better by taking the risk and trying new ideas is an entrepreneur. कोई भी सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड पर्सन जो अपने बिजनेस को बेटर बनाता है by taking the risk and trying the new ideas, उस पर्सन को हम कहेंगे entrepreneur. For an example, Ramya and Ramu both own plant shops. Ramya and Ramu दोनों की प्लांट की शॉप है. रामू सिट्स एट हिज शॉप एवरी डे. रामू अपनी शॉप पे डेली बैठता है एंड व्हेन द कस्टमर्स कम, उसकी शॉप पे जब कस्टमर्स आते हैं देन ही सेल्स द प्लांट्स टू देम. बट राम्या व्हाट शी डज, शी वॉक्स अराउंड एंड गेट्स द कस्टमर टू हर शॉप. शी मूव्स अराउंड एंड वहाँ से अपने कस्टमर्स को अपनी शॉप पर लेकर आती है एंड अलॉन्ग विद द प्लांट्स शी ऑल्सो सेल्स द सीड्स एंड द फ्लावर्स. सो शी इज प्रोवाइडिंग द एक्स्ट्रा सर्विस so that her client base gets increased. She is working more hard than Ramu so that her business grows more and she has also added a different idea to her business. So इस केस में काम करने वाले दोनों पर्सन हैं, दोनों ही सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड हैं, बट रामू जो है he is sitting on the shop only and he sells the plants to the customers, to those customers जो वहाँ आते हैं. बट राम्या के पास और भी आइडियाज़ हैं एंड शी इज़ एडिंग क्रिएटिविटी इन हर बिजनेस. सो इस केस में हम राम्या को क्या कहेंगे, एक एंटरप्रेन्योर, एंड रामू को हम कहेंगे बिजनेसमैन. सो देयर इज़ अ थिन लाइन ऑफ डिफरेंस बिटवीन एंटरप्रेन्योर एंड businessman. I hope now students all of you have understood the difference between the entrepreneur and a businessman. You must have identified that there are many entrepreneurs around you. And where do these entrepreneurs do their business? ये अपने business को कहाँ करते हैं? Entrepreneurs run their businesses in a market. अपने business को market में करते हैं. Market एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे लोग products को खरीदते हैं एंड सर्विसेज को भी खरीदते हैं, एंड देर आर पीपल जो उन प्रोडक्ट्स और सर्विसेज को सेल भी करते हैं. व्हेन पीपल आर बाइंग एंड सेलिंग फ्रॉम ईच अदर, जब लोग एक दूसरे से खरीद रहे हैं और बेच रहे हैं, इट इज़ हेल्पफुल फॉर एवरीवन, ये सबके लिए अच्छा है, बिकॉज सब लोग इसके अंदर इन्वॉल्व हैं एंड इट हेल्प्स इन मेकिंग द मनी. सो दिस इज़ हाउ एंटरप्रेन्योर्स जो हैं वो अपने एरिया को ग्रो करते हैं एंड उस सोसाइटी को ग्रो करते हैं जहाँ पे वो रहते हैं. अंडरस्टूड? Now one more example is given. Aditi has a store where she sells different types of shampoos. She has many customers. She buys the shampoos in large quantities from a woman. There are two men who work in the store to help her sell. So what is the example given here? Aditi का एक स्टोर है जिसमें वो different types of shampoos को sell करती है. उसके बहुत सारे customers हैं और वो शैम्पू कहाँ से लेती है, वो बल्क में एक किसी विमेन से खरीदती है, और अदिति के साथ उसकी शॉप में 2 और पर्सन हैं जो उसे हेल्प करते हैं प्रोडक्ट्स को सेल करने में. तो व्हाट इज़ अदिति डूइंग? शी इज़ हेल्पिंग द पीपल इन हर एरिया टू मेक मनी बिकॉज शी हैज़ 2 more पर्सन विद हर, एंड शी इज़ ऑल्सो इंक्रीजिंग द जॉब्स इन हर एरिया. अलॉन्ग विद दैट वो एक वुमेन से लार्ज क्वान्टिटी में ले रही है, तो शी इज़ हेल्पिंग दैट वुमेन ऑल्सो. So she is helping the people in the society around her to live better. So what is she doing in the entrepreneurship? She is providing services to the society, that is increasing the job, helping people in her area to make money, and helping the people in the society to live better. Along with that, providing the services to the society. Based upon the customer needs, wants, and the demands, products are made. So this is the way the entrepreneur works. So what do entrepreneurs do when they run their business? जब entrepreneurs अपना business setup कर लेते हैं, then what do they do ताकि उनका business अच्छे से grow करे and run करे? First of all, they fulfill the customer needs. Demand का मतलब क्या है? कोई भी ऐसा product या service that people want. And entrepreneurs ये find out करते हैं कि लोगों को क्या चाहिए, customer की need क्या है. Then they use their creativity to come up with a business idea that will meet that demand. एक तरह से what they are doing, जो भी customer की need है उसको वो satisfy कर रहे हैं. Second point, the entrepreneurs do to run their businesses, they use local materials. They use the material and the people who are available around them ताकि जो products हैं वो low cost पे बन सके. वो आसपास से material खरीदते हैं ताकि उनकी जो transportation की cost है वो भी ना लगे, और आसपास के लोगों को ही हायर करते हैं as sellers in their shop so that they don't have to pay large amount of money to those people or for the transportation of those material, right? Next is they help the society. Entrepreneurs have a positive relationship with the society. Since they sell the products in the society, उन activities से उन्हें profit भी हो रहा है and they are selling it to the people who need that things. It means they are benefiting the society also. Some entrepreneurs work towards saving the environment. कुछ entrepreneurs ऐसे होते हैं जो environment को save करने के लिए काम करते हैं. Some of the entrepreneurs are like this कि वो schools और hospitals में money दे देते हैं उनको fund करने के लिए. This way the people and the area around them becomes better. So these are the roles that entrepreneurs do in a society. Now second thing is that जो entrepreneurs हैं वो society को किस तरह से affect करते हैं. First is they create the jobs as we have learned in case of the Aditi example. सबसे पहले वो jobs को create करते हैं because entrepreneurs को काम करने के लिए ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग चाहिए होते हैं. They buy more material and from more people. दे ऑल्सो हायर मोर पीपल टू वर्क फॉर देम। इस तरह से लोगों को जॉब्स भी मिलती हैं। सो द वेरी फर्स्ट पॉइंट विच दे आर डूइंग इज दे आर क्रिएटिंग द जॉब्स. Second point is that sharing of wealth. Sharing of wealth means, first of all, wealth means having enough money so that a person can live a comfortable life. He has all the luxuries of the life, whatever he or she wants. So sharing of wealth means as the entrepreneurs grow their business, जो भी उनके साथ लोग काम कर रहे होते हैं या जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स वो सेल कर रहे होते हैं, सबका बिजनेस बढ़ता है. The people working from them and interrelated businesses also grow. So they have more money to live a better quality of life. In that way, if they are getting profit from a particular product, they also share the profit, or they also provide, you can say, some coupons or like these types of things to their employees also. So they are helping the other people to live a better quality of life. The next point is they help in lowering the price of products. Sometimes it happens that different companies same product को sell कर रही हैं. तो जब competition market में बढ़ जाता है तो price of the product goes down. For example, when more mobile phones were getting sold in India, phones की जो cost थी वो कम हो गई. So this way customer के लिए जो product की cost है वो कम हो जाती है and the customer doesn't have to pay much money for buying a particular product. Okay. So these are some of the benefits and the services which an entrepreneur provides to the society. Now we have one more example of a girl, Bharti, who is named as a jewelry queen. She is a young woman from Bihar and many girls in her area like to wear earrings. So what she does, वो फार्मर से जूट खरीदती है and she makes earnings from that. वहाँ से वो पैसा कमाती है. Her business is called Manvi Natural Handicraft. She sees that most women in her village do not work. उसने देखा कि उसके विलेज में बहुत सारी women ऐसी हैं जो काम नहीं करती हैं. So she hires 2 women to help her. Since she is creating a business, तो business के लिए उसे लोग भी चाहिए. तो she hires 2 women ताकि वो उनकी help कर सकें. जैसे जैसे उसके orders increase होते गए, she buy more jute from the farmers and she hires 3 more women to work for her. And the farmer and the women working for her now earn more money. उसे प्रॉफिट हो रहे हैं तो सेम वे वो उनके साथ काम करने वाले लोगों को भी उतना प्रॉफिट दे पा रही है. And they are able to save money for their future also. So this way she is earning the profit as well as creating the jobs as well as providing the services to the society also. So don't you think that she is an entrepreneur? Yes, she is an entrepreneur. How we come to know about it? Let us understand this with the help of some questions. First is, what demand did Bharti identify in her village? She identified that people in her village wanted jute. उसके गांव में लोगों को jute की ज़रूरत थी. Girls in her area like to wear earrings and villagers wanted more water. So these are the 3 options. भारती ने कौन सी नीड को आइडेंटिफाई किया? So according to the 3 options, the option which is correct is girls in her area like to wear the earrings. Next question is, what is the local resource that Bharti used? We have learned in the chapter कि जो entrepreneurs होते हैं वो local resources और local people का use करते हैं. तो उसने local resource में क्या use किया? Jute, water और sand. She used jute. How is Bharti helping her village grow? By buying jute from the local farmer who can now earn more money. By providing jobs to the local women. दोनों ही काम कर रही है. She is buying the jute from the local farmer. उनको भी पैसे मिल रहे हैं. And she is providing jobs to the local women also. So both A and B will be the correct answer. Then how was she creating more jobs? By selling earrings to the women without a job, by buying jute from the local farmer, or by providing jobs to the local women. तो how she is creating more jobs? पहले उसने 2 women को hire किया. जैसे जैसे उसके order increase हुए उसने और women को hire किया. So she is providing the jobs to the local women. In this way she is creating more jobs. So this way we have read कि entrepreneurs help in the growth of society around them. Understood? So with this we have completed the session number 1. Now we move on to session number 2. Qualities and functions of an entrepreneur. We have learnt about some qualities of the entrepreneur like creative, hardworking, taking risk, having patience. These are some of the qualities of the entrepreneur, and we are going to learn about some more qualities and the functions of the entrepreneur. First of all, we have the qualities of the entrepreneur. Quality is a way in which a person acts or behaves. क्वालिटी क्या है? एक ऐसा वे है जिस वे में पर्सन एक्ट करता है या बिहेव करता है. Some examples of qualities in the people are either they are hardworking, either they have a nice nature or a rude nature. Now here we have been given a comic strip so that we can understand what are the different qualities of an entrepreneur. First is you must believe in yourself. You should be confident and take business decision. Oh, that idea did not work, but it is okay. I keep trying new ideas. Running my business is difficult, but I am patient because I know success will come soon. I had a creative and different solution to the problem. That is why I am successful. So these are the different qualities of entrepreneur. The first quality is he should be confident enough. Second quality is he should keep trying new ideas. Third quality is he or she should be patient. Fourth quality is he should be creative, and if one problem is not getting solved by a particular solution, he should understand and try different solution to the particular problem. Next is, oops, I made a mistake, but it was my decision, so I take responsibility for it. I will work to make it better. Sometimes it happens that during the business we take some decisions, but we after implementing the decision हमें लगता है कि हमारा decision ठीक नहीं था. So we should take responsibility for that. कि whatever we have done that is wrong, but I am ready to solve that problem. I take responsibility of my action. I take decisions after thinking about whether they are good or bad for my business. It means we should think and then take the decision. That is the quality of an entrepreneur. He or she should take the responsibility for the action, and he should be hardworking because it is good for the product or the company. And the main thing is he or she should not give up because difficulties come it is a phase of the entrepreneurship. So we have to be patient and not to give up in any situation related to the business. So these are some of the qualities of the successful entrepreneurs. Now here some other qualities are given. In this activity, the students will rate themselves on the entrepreneurial skills mentioned below. These can be done by the students. The answer can be yes or no, whatever you feel like according to you. These are some of the activities which are given based upon this chapter. The students can try these activities. With this, we have covered the session number 2 of this unit. In the next video, students will be starting with session number 3 and will be covering session number 3 and 4 of this unit. With this unit will be complete. I'll meet you in my next video, students. If you have any doubt in any of the topics discussed today, you can ask me in the comment section. If you like this video, please share and subscribe the channel. Share the video with your friends so that they can also be helped from max to max. Thank you and have a nice day.